Hi everyone, there's so much going on this month and things are happening as fast as the green shoots of spring are appearing, and it's all very exciting. We've been talking to my good friend and artist, Electra Harris. Her paintings are so joyful and colourful. We've been talking about colour, composition and texture in our work. I didn't realise there are so many similarities between art and flowers. Here are some of my favourite moments, and make sure you check out the full series of films. One thing I really like to do is sort of colour match. So if we take my nice little Balthazar chrysanthemum here, which has got a little hint of yellow in it. This was my lead flower for this arrangement. Bit of yellow, bit of pink, and then what flowers can I find that might reflect those two colours?
When you're taught to be an artist, you're taught about complementary colours, and actually colours that don't necessarily always work together, I think is a really interesting thing.
It's an active decision to use colours that might clash.
I don't just like using complementary colours, I actually quite like using clashing colours.
It's just so interesting to see how what you've made can kind of just totally influence someone's home. And you're like, wow, the room looks different, like the paint colours look different. You know, each week with a different set of flowers, it just totally transforms that corner of the room.
And they change as well. Flowers also change over time.
Well, precisely, yeah. So it's a very weird sort of evolving artwork in some ways.
What I love is starting with ink or acrylic and then adding pastels and oil pastels and chalk pastels or charcoal on top.
So the layering up of different
mediums,
different mediums ends up creating a whole unique texture in itself.
Yeah, exactly.
What I also love about flowers is how they do change shape as they evolve as the weeks go on. And one of my favourites is tulips, and how they open up over the weeks, and then you can do a really fun trick where you sort of open them up over the weeks as they start to get nice and soft. But doing this is just so nice. And actually arranging flowers is just an incredibly soothing thing. Having spent time with my artist friend Electra Harris, we want to encourage all budding artists to enter our drawing competition. We want you to paint our beautiful flowers, and the competition is open to everyone, old and young alike. Your work will be judged by Rose, and best of all, the winner gets a fabulous original painting by her with loads of runners-up prizes as well. We're also working hard to make some lovely arrangements for you, and my fluffy friend is helping to make this happen. They've been super busy helping everyone here at Freddy's get this week's selection packed up and ready, and hopping around helping in every department. There really is a lot to inspire you about this week's selection of flowers.